Jesus had a very special guest. Not those who would regularly go with Him or listen or accompany Him. Hindi lang po yung mga alagad na laging nakasunod kay Jesus o laging niyang kasama, but tax collectors and sinners draw near or came to Jesus. And they came to Jesus hindi lang po para makinig, hindi lang din para makasama siya, pero para makikain at makasama ang mismong presensya ni Jesus. And outside the circle of this seeming gathering were Pharisees who asked the question, "Why do your teacher eat with tax collectors and sinners?" Kumbaga, sa lahat ba naman ng mga tao, bakit pa yung mga kinaaaayawan ng mga tao dahil mga naniningil ng buwis at yung mga iniiwasan ng mga tao dahil mga makasalanan? Di ba dapat yung mga friends lang, yung maaayos lang, yung may marangal na buhay lang ang dapat kasama ng taong ito? But we all heard Jesus answering them, "Those who are well do not need a physician, but the sick do. I did not come to call the righteous, but sinners." And my dear brothers and sisters, this will always be the same event in our daily life. Sa binigat o sa pinakamaliit na kasalanan, sa kinapangit o kinakomplikado ng sarili natin, hindi po ito hadlang para makalapit tayo kay Jesus. Mas hindi rin ito problema kay Jesus para isama at makasama niya tayo sa araw-araw na buhay. Hindi rin ito problema kay Jesus para pagbigyan tayo sa mga panalangin at kagustuhan natin. We might be the most sinful and the most miserable in this life, but we have someone to bank on our heads and seek refuge. Kung inyo pong ding titignan, whenever we would celebrate the Holy Mass, just right after the beginning, we acknowledge not only our blessings, but also we acknowledge that we are sinners. We recognize ourselves as sinners, but we are winners of the mercy of God. Totoo, mahina kung mahina na, may pinagdadaanan na, may komplikasyon sa buhay, tuyo ang espiritual na buhay, nawawala o nagwawala. The more Jesus is inviting you and me to come and celebrate with Him. This will not lead us out of the mercy and the presence of God, but our being sinners, our being frail, would all the more lead us and be the reason for us to come close to God. Hindi dahil makasalanan o matindi ang hinaharap sa buhay, bawal na sa presensya ng Diyos. Baka nga mas magagandang pagkakataon pa ang mga ito para makilala at mabasbasan tayo ng Diyos. We are sinners, but we are winners of the mercy and love of God. It is not only God correcting our sinful ways, making our days straight and smooth, it is also God blessing us with His love and mercy. Hindi po mapantaboy ang Diyos sa mahina at makasalanan na tulad natin. In a very special way, He wants us to be winners of His mercy and us enjoying close and intimate relations with Jesus Himself.